Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the latest updates on this humanity protocol airdrop. All right, so for some weeks now we have been farming some points. Right now we have gone from season 1 and now we are on season 2, where our points have been converted to HP. All right, you all know that these HP are like your points on the season 2, and H is actual token that we're going to be getting from this airdrop that we are participating on. So there is a lot of thing going on right now, especially the eligibility criteria, which has been shown up right now. All right, so let's now go ahead and explore it right now. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, or if this is your first time watching my video, please kindly do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I provide you guys with a lot of helpful information that's going to be helping you make money right here in the crypto space. Not just that, but I keep you in track until you cash out from each and every area that we are participating on right here through this channel. So welcome to my channel. Let's now go ahead and explore what we have right here. All right, so coming over here to the Humanity Protocol X account or Twitter account, you can see that there have been a lot of updates right here, but our interest is the one that they made about 3 days ago, listing out some alphas. All right, so over here they say ICYMI, the last alpha was. So right now let me show you what they say right here. The first thing is that social media credential will be considered for airdrop eligibility. Very, very important. So if you are also mining or farming this humanity protocol airdrop, you need to make sure that you have connected at least 3 social media accounts. Let me show you what I mean. So what we mean is, coming over here right now, you will scroll down, you can see we have social multiplier right now. When you click on link accounts, you are going to be asked to link many of your social media accounts, like Google account, Twitter account, Discord, and so many things. All right, and right now guys, you can see that I have been able to connect up to 6 accounts right here. All my accounts I have been able to connect it. So make sure you come over here. You are going to be seeing the connection button right here. You click on connect, you log into that account, then you get it connected to Humanity Protocol. It is totally safe. All right, and after connecting that, you are going to be seeing that you are now earning extra 60%, because obviously this is the multiplier for this airdrop. When you scroll down a little bit, you can see the verification is still coming soon, the humanity multiplier is still coming soon, and many other things are still coming soon, meaning that this project is still at its early phase. So if you haven't yet started this airdrop yet, use the link right there on the video description box to get yourself started right now. Okay, so right now, after that guys, there are a lot of other things that you need to put in mind right now. And over here you can see they said on the second one that the referral reward are delivered automatically to your dashboard, to your account. And also they say right here that over 7 million human ID are already on the network. So scrolling down a little bit right now, you can see we have this person right here, Crypto Zen, asking the question saying, what we are watching it closely in turn, what about 5 account connection? And they went ahead to reply that palm scan will be the thing. But social credentials are helping too, meaning that if you have connected your account, you are safe. But the palm scan that is yet to come is going to be the ultimate thing that will determine a whole lot. So someone down here actually asked a question saying, when are we going to be having the palm scan? And over here they went ahead to say that the palm scan is going to be available when it is ready. Okay, they say right here when ready, meaning that the palm scan is not yet live and you shouldn't worry about that. All right, so over here guys, this guy right here asked another question saying, already connected 6 accounts, let's go. And Humanity Protocol went ahead to respond saying, HP is the reward. This reward token for testnet, official token will be H, just like I told you guys when starting the video. All right, so everything right here is well set, and this is the latest update that you need to know right now concerning the Humanity Protocol airdrop. So if you are yet to start, get ahead right now and make sure you create your own account using the link right there on the video description box. So looking down over here, you can see this is where you actually refer people. This is, I've got only 29 referral here, very small, because this airdrop is not actually popular, and you know that unpopular airdrop like this are the one that will likely pay off. So you should take it very serious. And of course, this is all I have to share with you guys right here on this video guys. So thank you for watching, and I will talk to you on the next video that is going to be dropping very, very soon.